Hey everyone, and welcome back to our bi-weekly-ish shop update. These last 2 weeks have been pretty eventful. Almost two full weeks ago, we had a storm blow through that brought some 90-mile-an-hour straight line winds. So we ended up catching some damage in our backyard along our privacy fence. The roof had pretty good damage, and as well as a bunch of our neighbors. So we spent several days that week patching fences and getting ready for insurance and all that to come out and assess the damage. We now have to have a whole new roof, and I have to rebuild our privacy fence. So I'll be taking everyone along the way on that on Instagram if you're not already following us over there at Maddux Woodworks, as well as probably filming some of it for you here on YouTube. After that, let's see, last Sunday I went and picked up a cherry log over at my friend Bruce's. I'll link his channel and stuff down in the description. But we went and picked up a cherry log from his dad's house, and I took that out to our land to store with the other logs that I already have currently on hand, ready to be taken to the mill. Right now, for current projects going on in the shop, we have some farmhouse signs that we are just about finished up with. Got to get some paint on them, the words, and attach the frames, and those will be ready to go. We have some cutting boards that we went ahead and prepped a bunch of stock for this last week. All of those will end up getting designed, laid out, and glued up in the coming week, and then those will also be ready to go out. The next table build we have involves some pretty intricate legs that we ended up taking to our friend Jay Bates and used his brand new 4x10 foot Avid CNC machine to cut the profile for these legs. This table will be like a bar sofa table, so that will hopefully be done in the next week or two, and then we will also have a video on that for y'all. And now for the big news. So last week, we've been saving up for this for quite a while. Last week I went to a store local here that had saw stops, and I went ahead and bought one. So we've been looking at replacing the Ridgid. I have the Ridgid R4512 that I've been running for like 2.5, 3 years. It's still a really good, capable saw, but we like safety, and SawStop brings safety, as well as it does perform better and is more accurate. So nothing wrong with the Ridgid, just upgraded to the SawStop. It's been 100% paid for out of pocket. It's a chunk of change, but it is a welcome addition to the shop. I will be videoing and taking you along the way on the stories on Instagram, as well as posts, and have a video on YouTube as well. All of that will start this coming week as far as the assembly and everything of the saw. I now currently have new hats available. And these will be available on the recently launched website. You can find that www.madduxwoodworks.com. I'll have a link in the description. Go check out the new website. Shoot us a message on Instagram, YouTube. Let us know what you think. But the hats will be available there. We will also have some shirts soon to be available. One is this green color. I've got some other colors, as well as the logo will end up being the full logo on the front only. So those will be available soon. If you haven't already, we have a Patreon account linked down in the description. If you like everything that we do here, and you want to support us and the shop, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you don't mind while you're here, we notice a lot of people aren't subscribed to the channel that are actually watching our videos. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and that way, every time we post a new video, you will be updated. As for that, that is this week's bi-weekly-ish shop update. So until next week with the latest project build, we will see y'all next time.